Right.
So that's one part.
Okay.
That's where it broke. That's not supposed to be broken off.
Okay.
See how it's...
I see it's busted up. It was hooked to something, I assume.
Yeah, it was hooked inside there and it came apart. So that's the diff part of it.
Okay.
That was transfer case. Real careful, slip in here.
I'm good. I got them. I said I did. I know, man. I bet these boys hate it too.
Oh yeah, you gotta be real concise with these steps. It's bad over here.
A little bit of oil kicking in with it too. So this is the part that's actually being repaired now.
This is what needs to be replaced. Just gonna show them the inside here.
There's one bolt right there.
Oh, yep, that's what's doing it.
Something else holding? Probably got a pilot pin somewhere. There's one of them. There may be one on the opposite side.
What's up? Well, that would do it. Hey, Wade, you got a sec? I'll let the manager do the rest.
Has he ever seen this happen before?
On the transfer case, yeah, but I've never seen one break a diff like that. Over here.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I got the bolts off. Can you pull the case open though? Because it's like got resistance and I don't know what I'm doing. This is Mr. Gordon. He's the owner of the vehicle.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Yeah,
I just showed him the diff and I wanted to show him this. I thought I got everything out. And is it this that should free spin or show what he was?
Here's a bunch of metal on the pickup, fluid pickup.
okay.
A bunch of metal on the magnet.
Right, I see that.
And this should free spin from the shaft unless these are engaging that. This is what pushes the clutch plates together.
Okay.
So if that's up like that, it should free spin on this shaft and it's just locked.
It's locked up.
And do you have any idea what caused it?
It's just one of those things.
It'd be speculation. There's no way to.
Pure
Nobody
speculation.
really
Yeah. You could probably get 20 different reasons and nobody'd really know what happened. It's just a part failure somewhere.
So this ain't a normal thing that goes on with these things then, right?
No, it's not normal. It doesn't happen all the time, but it has happened before.
Right.
That I've heard of, not me personally. I haven't personally
Okay.
dealt with one of these locking up like that, but
Well,
Josh
that's,
said he's seen one blow up, lock up before too.
Yeah,
well,
we
what
had-
does this part actually do? What does it do to the vehicle when
This
I'm
is
driving it?
This is a clutch. It lets the front axle and rear axle kind of have some give in between, so they're not acting as one rock solid unit.
Right.
So the drive shaft coming out of the front, going to the front axle, the drive shaft coming out of the rear, they can spin at sometimes slightly different, speeds if they need to, depending on what the situation is.
This is your all-wheel drive unit, like your transfer case.
Okay.
You get your front diff, your rear diff, and that's what locks them, keeps them together. So
Okay.
or transfers the power to
But
each.
but you're thinking this part right in here is locking up.
The clutch back's inside of this
Uh huh.
drum right here.
Yeah. So you're gonna replace all of that then?
The whole thing, the case
Okay.
and everything.
Yeah, it comes as a complete unit.
Yeah, it's a whole
Okay.
unit. So this everything you see here is going to go in a box, and there's a brand new one we pull out, put it in there, and put the fluid in it. And
I got you.
so it's all new.
It's a pretty in-depth looking kind of situation to me.
Yeah.
But I wanted to get a exact on it.